Hello kids, hello friends, Mino's here, let's learn again. Clap your hands and sing along, let's learn the face with a happy song. These are my eyes, blink, blink, blink too. These are my eyes, what do you think? I use my eyes to see so clear. Wave to Mino, eyes are here. Eyes, ears, nose and mouth, sing with Mino, shout it out. Parts of the face, let's all say, learning is fun with Mino every day. These are my ears, wiggle, wiggle, ears, mouth. I use my ears to hear my cheers. Music, laughter, sound so loud. Mino's ears feel very proud. This is my nose, sniff, sniff, sniff. Smell the flowers, smell a gift. Big or small, up or down. Touch your nose and turn around. Eyes, ears, nose and mouth, sing with Mino, shout it out. Parts of the face, let's all say, learning is fun with Mino every day. This is my mouth, smile so wide. I use my mouth to talk and smile, eat and laugh and sing a song. Open, close, sing along. Great job, kids, you did so well. Parts of the face, now you can tell. Wave goodbye, stomp, stomp, stomp. Learning with Mino